Hey guys, so before we get started with today's video, I'm gonna have to tell you guys I was using my old Kamika microphone to film this video, and as you guys know, my Nikon is actually on my desk now using a boom pole, and that microphone is not good. You can hear every single like desk hit and everything through the microphone. So this video is going to be dubbed over, so I hope you guys still enjoy to the best of your ability, and I won't be able to give you directions as I'm like building it actively, so it's just going to be directions from after, if that makes sense. So enjoy the dubbed version. Sorry, I didn't realize how sucky that microphone is. I really didn't. So next time we're going to go look for a Rode microphone and get a better one. Yo, what's poppin'? How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Breezy and welcome to my channel if you are new here. And hello to everyone else who's already a subscriber. So today, I want to build a shelf for my desk, okay? And I know what you're thinking. Your desk already has a shelf on it. Why are you building a shelf for your desk? It already has a shelf. I want to build a shelf for my desk because I have two computers, right? Some of you guys may or may not know that. I have a Mac Mini and I have my Digital Storm PC. And basically, that means I have two keyboards and two mice. So when I'm not using either one of the computers, I'm just sitting down here like writing down stuff. I like to move my keyboards out of the way, but I don't really like where I've been putting them at. I'm trying to clean off my desk and make it like look very like professional. So that way when I come in here, sit down, it's only ready to work pretty much. So I decided let's build a shelf for my PC. All right. I know it already has a shelf, but we're going to be building an in-between the shelf. So basically the first thing that I did was I got out my measuring tape and I measured the length, and I found out that I want about an 18-inch piece of wood, and then between the shelf and the main part of the desk was going to be 5.5 inches, which was like literally a perfect fit. Like, I'm not joking. Like, to slide it underneath, it's like literally like it's holding up my monitor stand, which is kind of a good thing because my two monitors actually make that kind of droop. I never really noticed until I was building this. So after I measured that out, I ran over to Lowe's, and I went into Lowe's and then I found the wood. It took me a solid couple minutes to find this wood, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm walking around Lowe's, I find it, and I'm looking at the wood, and then I go get it cut. The guy, he helps me. Cuts them uneven, by the way, but it's like less than like half, like, it's like, I don't even know. I can't say less than an inch, because obviously an inch is kind of big. It's like less than like a centimeter. I don't even know. I don't know how big these things are. Just think of like, here is like the width that I want, and then it's like right there, like, you know, like the small, like you can't just cut it, you know what I mean? You could sand it down, I guess, but I didn't buy any sandpaper. All right, we're not doing that. Anyways, I get home and I come in the house and I make sure I actually measured it right, because I actually measured it and I was gonna say 6 inches for the boards, for the wood pieces, and then I went to 5.5 inches because I was scared that 6 inches was gonna be too big, because it was kind of like the little thickness of the table. Whatever. I just came in here to see if it fit, and it did. So after I did that, I went outside and I spray painted it. So I spray painted. I did 2 coats on it. I don't even think I needed to do 2 coats, but I did anyway. Now, you're probably asking yourself, well, how did I actually put this together? Well, I used liquid nails. Now, me and liquid nails ain't never really got along before, all right? So the reason why I decided to use liquid nails in the first place is in case you guys wanted to build your own shelf, but you don't have a drill. So I know a lot of young kids be on YouTube, a lot of young kids be watching my videos. So I figured, well, they might not have a drill and they might not be able to afford a drill. So I did the liquid nail route. Now let me tell you guys something about liquid nails. You need the gun. You need the liquid nail gun. It's basically something that you put inside. It basically helps you push the liquid nails out. All right, I didn't have that, so I had to do like a Rambo style and cut this thing open and then spread it on there like butter. Once you get your liquid nails onto whatever you want and you put them together, walk away for 30 minutes to an hour. I'm not even joking. Walk away from it. Me, I was just really impatient and I kept messing it up. So my boards look messed up now. I'm not even joking. They look super messed up. This process of liquid nails that should have just taken literally like an hour took me about 2.5 hours because I just could not. I just was super impatient. All right. But anyways, I got them together. I finally got the desk put up. So now it's time to actually put it underneath my shelf where I want it to go at. So my desk actually has a bar to hold up in the front. It has like a metal bar. So I couldn't just push my shelf straight underneath. I now had to put it in from the back of the desk, which was already another step in and of itself. But now I did that. It literally took me a long time to do that too, because I ended up breaking one of the legs off, and that's exactly when I rage quit it. All right, guys, so now this is how the shelf turned out. This is what it looks like at night with the lights on, because my desk comes with LED lights, so this is what it looks like. The bottom shelf, I ain't gonna lie, it looks really dark when I have my keyboard off, but whatever, it's not a big deal. But yeah, that's what it looked like, guys. Honestly, guys, this was kind of like a fun little project that I had, and I'm honestly happy with the way that it came out. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I really did like it. Like, I felt like I was actually doing something. I forgot to mention how much it actually cost me. So in total, it cost me $25 for everything. So my pieces of wood that I got was a 1x8x2. I got two of those and I got them cut. One is in 18 inches and the other one I got it cut into two pieces at 5.5 inches. And those two wood pieces cost me $8.76 a piece, totaling $17.52 for both of them. And then the spray paint actually cost me $3.98. And then the 10-ounce liquid nails cost me $1.78, bringing my total down to $25.42. So yeah, guys, that is going to be that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, how about hitting that subscribe button, leaving a like on the video. And this has been Breezy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.